How to normalize audio levels in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project that contains the audio you want to normalize. Then select the section of the audio that you want to normalize by dragging from your cursor or press Ctrl+A to select the entire track. After that, locate the Normalize option at the top of the editor and click on it to apply. This will automatically adjust your audio levels, making them consistent and balanced across the selected section. Normalizing audio is especially useful for podcast, voiceover, and music tracks where volume inconsistencies can be distracting. You can also combine normalization with other tools like volume and pan or space auto leveler for even better results. Remember, normalization doesn't remove noise or distortions, so it's best used after cleaning your audio. Using this feature correctly can save you time and give your audio a polished professional sound every time. Now you know how to normalize audio levels in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.